Care has been taken to give a central place to the learner in the process of teaching and learning. Learner friendly language has been used in the instructions and the exercises and activities are addressed to the child. In this process, the teacher is a facilitator or a co learner. A rich variety of reading materials has been provided to include the literary, cultural, and sociological dimensions of texts. The themes range from childhood and adolescence to disability, talent, and achievement to music, science, and contemporary social and environmental concerns. The range is as inclusive as possible, keeping in view the interest and cognitive development of the learners. The book draws on different genres such as story, biography, and autobiography, science fiction, humor, travelogue, and the one act play. The number of poems has been increased to help learners explore this great source of language, derive the joy of learning through poetry, and understand the music of words. An attempt has been made to include different types of poems, such as the lyric, the ballad, and the humorous poem. The poems have been chosen for their simplicity and suitability in terms of language and thought. We need not talk about the poet or the background to the poem unless the poem seems to demand it, nor should we attempt to exhaust all the possibilities of a poem. We should encourage the students to begin to see some of the possibilities. They should be guided to apprehend the poem through the visual, the auditory, the tactile, the intellectual, or the emotional channels, and to understand the suggestiveness of the images. An attempt has been made to help the learner develop the skill of predicting and anticipating what follows. Every good reader should guess what is coming next. The task before you read given at the beginning.